Welcome to Parque das Aves, the bird park of Iguazu Falls. Parque das Aves is 60 highs for foreigners, and it is located about 20 minutes from downtown Iguazu Falls. You can get here by Uber, taxi, and sometimes the bus. You can find the bus. Welcome everybody, here we are in Parque das Aves, bird park in Iguazu Falls. In the afternoon, where it's not crowded on a Friday. It's amazing. There are people here, but it's not crowded at all, so we're gonna get some good footage for you.
E na entrada e na saída são duas portas para evitar a fuga das aves. Não mantê-las abertas juntas, tá bem? Obrigada, ótima visita. Não tocar nos animais, não alimentá-los e nem se alimentar lá dentro. Foto e vídeo com flash desativado.
Ok. Eles podem me alimentar me?
Não podem se alimentar.
Tô brincando. What is up? We have entered the bird park, Parque das Aves in Iguazu Falls. And this is the corridor where you enter and birds are free, roam around. And it's not crowded, so we're gonna get some good footage for you. It's gonna look amazing. All the toucans and so I don't even know the names. Only 8% of the rainforest survives. What? Hola. They're showing off their butts. And there's a turtle. Look. There's a turtle. A little turtle. And there's another bird right there. Resting. Look at the beak. Smile. Let's see a smile. So here's a billboard of all the species of the birds. Let's take a look. It's a turtle. That's not a bird. Dusky-legged fawn, lapwing, cardinal, finch, dove, chestnut, oriole, kisaji, choppy blackbird, flicker, red. Oh, that's another weird bird. Red wing, chachalaka, blue and yellow tanger. Where are the exotic birds? I want to see the pelicans. Yeah, red. There's another cardinal. Birds over there. Oh, I'm about to fight. Where'd he go? Look. He got away with a stick. Alright, I have to get there. I felt some poop coming on me, so let's get out of that section. And here we go in the next section. It's pretty warm today. Yeah, so you push the door. You can kick it too. Kick or elbow. Give it the elbow. Right? Oh, I got some stuff in the lens here too. I made it worse. Here are the additional species: azure jay, red-legged seriema, crested jay, represent tiger heron, screamer, egret, roseate spoonbill, woodstock, whistling duck, Brazilian teal, scarlet ibis, white-naped jay, red-tailed Amazon, lapwing. Reptiles. I think I'm gonna like this section. I love reptiles, so let's see what reptiles they have over here. Ooh. There's a waterfall. The tiles behind glass. Olha, olha, reptilos. Peixe. See what they have here. Oh, serpente. There's a snake. There's a picture of a snake. Where's the actual snake? See their beaks? Their beaks have this orange stuff on their face, on their beaks. It's coming closer. Is it coming to me? I think it's coming to me. Let's get a closer shot. Alright, and here's the next section. Boom, the Kekropia Avri. Kekropia Avri. Let's kick the door. It says kick. Oh, kick the door. That's a giant birdhouse right there. What do you have here? This is the Kekropia tree. Hearing the water drizzle into the lake. I'm hearing lots of birds and people. It's a big cage. It's a big bird cage too. They're cleaning each other.
Casalzinho.
And here we have the amazing Toka Toucan. Look at that, it's opening his mouth. He wants to talk too. Oh, stretching. Aparecendo. Look at that beautiful animal. You want to eat? No? Eat? Uh-oh, I'm going to eat. I don't want to take the risk. Oh, shut up. No, the beak looks sharp.
É, igual aquele do pão das pombas, filho. Só eu fui meio que assim.
So the bird park normally has open some trails, yeah, like these, but because of the restrictions in place, these trails are closed. As you can see right there. Yeah. So technically you can spend more time here if you wanted to, but because of the closed trails, So far I've been here an hour and a half. So that's time well spent. And I imagine there's a little more to see. So probably stay here another 20 minutes, maybe longer. Hope to see the big red birds. I still forget the name. Finally about shooting for a couple months with this Panasonic S5. I think I got a hang of it. I'm using the Cine D mode for those enthusiasts interested how I get these amazing colors, and I'm using manual shutter angle and the frame rate at 30 frames a second, 29.97, 10-bit 422 color. So that's why it's coming out amazing. Here we are, the moment we've been waiting for, and the word is macaw. In Portuguese it's arara. That's this bird. That's arara, macaw in Portuguese. So we're gonna see that next. That's a beautiful bird, and let's see it up close. One more billboard for you to see. Blue and yellow macaw. That's what we're gonna see. Scarlet macaw, probably the most beautiful. The red and green macaw, and then the hyacinth macaw. The most beautiful parrots, most beautiful birds. And there they are. Oh, look. There's so many of them. They look amazing. There's got to be at least 20 over here. Look. Oh, where'd he go? He's climbing up the fence. Hello, my Brazilian friend. It's fine. Fly again. I didn't get that on video. Can you fly for me again? Hello. Tudo bom, amigo? Let's see if I can have a selfie with him. Let's have a selfie, buddy. Can we have a selfie together? No? No selfie? Selfie time? Qual sinal pode dar para eles voar? Pode indicar para eles voar? Não? Não tem um truque? Não. A caminho não? Ok. So cool. Oh, so close. This guy. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming towards me. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Ele chegou aqui. Yes, you want to be famous. Você fica famoso. Qual o nome dele?
Arara vermelho.
Arara vermelho. No, é specie. He's looking at me. Hey. Ah? Ah? Gostou? Oh, tô dando a mão. Amigável, so friendly guy. Tudo bom? Can you talk? Hello, hello. What's your name? What's your name, buddy? Ah? Quack. I'm getting popular, guys. What are you eating? The rock. You can't eat the rock. I just had a spider on my leg. He's about to eat me. Look, come eat this spider. Comida, aqui. I think my yellow shorts are calling attention. It's a true jungle out here. I was sitting down, I was kneeling down to film that macaw, and then this huge white spider crawled up my leg. I'm so lucky it didn't sting me, because that thing looked like a bad species. Oh, I don't want to get bitten again. I already got bitten once. Let's say goodbye to the macaws. This is the macaw cage. We are done here with these beautiful macaws. Well, that's the end of the Parque das Aves. I showed you all I could, all the video I could capture. So if you enjoy watching this video, subscribe and give it a like, because I can therefore bring you more awesome videos in amazing 10-bit color and more adventures in nature and abroad. So Parque das Aves. Okay, let's try it again. Parque das Aves. Was that good? That was a good shot? Was it entertaining?